Okay, back again. So that was the first exercise. The next one change the order. Order the words to make questions. Live, you, do, where? Bad English. Good English. Where do you live? Okay, so you have 8. Please write on a page, take a photo to send to me for the answers. Press pause to do this. And finally, think carefully. Do you put is, are, do, or does each time? For example, where does your sister live? Here, is football your favorite sport? Are football your favorite sport? Do football your favorite sport? Or does football your favorite sport? Every time, 1 to 9, you can write one word, is, are, do, or does. Please look at this part again. Remember, I always send you all these copies in your email so you can look at them better. So if you are confused, this and this can help you. Okay? Okay? Send me your answers. Now, let's go back to Veronica. Press pause to read these 2 sentences. It says, look at some sentences from the interview. Can you remember the missing verbs, the actions? Okay, press pause and think. What words go here? Okay. Did you do that? Press pause. Okay, I hope you did it. Now listen and check.
1. In my free time, I go to Danish lessons, I go shopping, or I meet friends. 2. I travel to the match, play the match, and then travel back home. 3.7.
Okay, so in my free time, I go to Danish lessons, I go shopping, or I meet friends. I travel to the match, play in the match, and then travel back home. I hope you got these. Now you are going to see some more actions. Free time. What can you do in your free time? Listen and repeat after me. Go out or go out at night. Do you like to go out? 2. Play computer games. Play computer games. 3. Do sport. Do sport. Okay, I hope you are repeating. When I say the word, you say the word. 4. Go to the beach. Go to the beach. 5. Stay at home. Stay at home. You hear this a lot at the moment. Stay at home. 6. Play tennis. Play tennis. 7. Walk. Walk in the mountains. 8. Play the piano. Play the piano. 9. Swim. Swim. 10. Meet friends. Meet friends. 11. Relax. Relax. 12. Travel. Travel. After coronavirus, what do you want to do? Go walking in the mountains? Go swimming? Traveling? Oh, it will be good when this finishes. When we speak on Skype this week, I will ask you, which of these things can you do now? And which of these things do you want to do after coronavirus? Okay, now some more exercises. Can you remember the names of these sports? Can you write them down? There are 5. They are the sports from the first exercise. Press pause to do this. Next exercise. We have some questions. Not in correct order. Change the order. Where from is Alberto? Bad English. Where is Alberto from? It's a good question in English. Each time, write the question on a piece of paper to photograph for me. Next exercise. Remember to press pause if you only watch the video to do these parts. Each time you have 3 question words. For example, in number 1, where, what, or when does your brother live? Correct answer, where does your brother live? Answer, in Sao Paulo. You choose where, when, what, how, who, what, when, who, how, when, where, how old, what, when, where. 1 each time. You can write them on a piece of paper to photograph for me. Press pause to do this exercise. Next. Make more questions with is, are, do, or does. Think carefully. 1 word each time. Is, are, do, or does. To make questions. We say, number 1, are you good at sport? For example. Okay? On a piece of paper, you can write 1 to 8. And number 2, is, are, do, or does. 1 word each time is okay. For the next exercise, please look at each picture and put in the correct words. For example, number 1, do you have the letters D, answer, do sport. Do you do sport? Okay? Think of the activity each time. Press pause for the first 4. Then you have 4 more. Press pause to do this. Write your answers on a piece of paper and I will send you the answers. Okay. Next exercise. It's the last exercise. It's a listening. Please listen to the interview and put the answers T or F, T for true or F for false. It's an interview with Sarah. Press pause to read all the possible answers first, then listen. Okay, listen and put T for true or F for false.
Devon A. Listening.
Sarah, do you play any sports?
Yes, I do. I love sport.
Which sports do you play?
I play hockey and tennis.
Ice hockey?
No, normal hockey.
Oh, how often do you play?
I play hockey a lot because I'm in a team. We train for 2 hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then we have a match every Saturday.
Are you good at it?
I'm okay, but it's a good team with some very good players in it.
Do you usually win?
Sometimes, but not always. But it's fun.
What about tennis? How often do you play?
I play every Sunday.
Are you good at tennis?
Not bad, but I need to train more.
Which do you prefer, hockey or tennis?
Hockey, I think. I prefer playing in a team.
Thank you, Sarah, and good luck with your next match.
Thanks.
Okay, you can repeat that part if necessary. This is the end of this week's lesson. So, when we speak on Skype, we will talk about sport and things we like to do in our free time. Stay safe, everyone, and email me your answers, your photos when you can. Take care. Bye.